2008 CTS. Here's the kits from AutoZone: harmonic balance puller, power steering wheel puller. For the power steering pump, we'll use a Pulley puller, and this has a couple of different sizes, and you just put it on this half here like that, around that lip, and then around this lip like such. And then there's this collar that goes around all of it, that holds everything together, and then you tighten it up against the shaft, and you get a wrench on here and here. I've got a 13/16 and a 5/8. It's best to use a ratchet or a socket, and you just turn against it and it pulls it off. This is the first time I've ever used one, so don't feel intimidated. I got the tool from AutoZone. It's a program where you purchase the tool, and then when you take it back, you get your money back. No charge. There you go. This is a pretty nice kit. Here's the puller I just used, and this is the installer. Alright, I'll give a preview window. You want to thread this in here. First, make sure the threads are clean and you get a nice amount of depth before putting the pulley on. You can spray some oil in there, clean that out. That's good. Now we will install the pulley. You want to make sure that lip is outward, and just snug it on there the best you can, and we'll be able to use the wheel to kind of tighten against this bolt. Then thread this in until it bottoms out, and then spin this. And then we got 11/16 on this side and a 1/2 inch on this side, and then ratchet it on. Yeah, sometimes it falls off. I mean, you can go like this too and get some big cranks. Oh, your wrench doesn't fall off. But you'll feel it bottom out when it's all the way on. And if you put it on backwards, you're in a heap of trouble. That's right. You don't want to do that. Never want to do that. Alright, it's tight. Now reverse your ratchet. Back the tension off. Hold the wheel to unthread it. There you go.